Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. Today I am going to discuss with you chapter 2 of Moments, your supplementary reader. Your chapter 2 is The Adventures of Toto, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landover, Missouri in India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was born on 19th May 1934 in Kasauli. He got his education in Bishop Cotton School, Shimla, and he was also awarded with Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. So now let's discuss the summary of the chapter, The Adventures of Toto. The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond is an amusing story of a naughty monkey named Toto. So the name of the monkey was Toto. The writer's grandfather bought the monkey from a Tonga driver. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting way and make the story very humorous for us. The writer's grandfather liked to collect animals and had a zoo at home. Once he bought a monkey named Toto from a Tonga driver for a sum of 5 rupees. Toto was kept secretly as the grandmother disliked animals. Toto was very mischievous, and that is why when the writer and the grandfather hid Toto in a cupboard and tied him to a hook, he broke the hook and caused havoc in the room. The next day, when he was kept in the servants' room along with other animals, he did not let them sleep all night. Once, when grandfather had to go to Saharanpur for work, he decided to take the monkey also with him because he knew the nature of the monkey. And at the same time, it was a secret from grandmother also. So he carried him with him. He carried him in a strong bag made of canvas and closed the zip so nicely that Toto could not escape. Toto made unsuccessful attempts to get out of the bag, which caused the bag to jump and roll. Seeing this, the fellow passengers on the platform became curious. At Saharanpur railway station, when grandfather was getting his ticket checked, Toto peeked out of the bag and smiled at the ticket checker. The ticket checker got so surprised that to see a monkey in grandfather's bag, and he charged him 3 rupees as monkey's fare. When Toto was accepted by grandmother, he was given a place in the stable where other animals were living, and donkey whose name was Nana was also living there. Toto and Nana never became friends. Toto enjoyed taking bath in warm water during winter season. One day, he almost boiled himself when he jumped into a kettle of boiling water. It was grandmother who reached there in time and saved him. One afternoon, Toto ate the family meal of pulao. He threw the empty dish from the tree and it broke into several pieces. Toto's mischiefs grew day by day, and grandfather realized that they could not keep him at home. So finally, he found the same Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for a sum of 3 rupees. So we have discussed the summary of the chapter. In the next video, we will discuss the question answers. Thank you.